In just the last few years, we have seen enormous progress in artificial intelligence. Generative AI is changing the way we work. For the first time, business users, without deep technical skills, can access and apply artificial intelligence to great advantage. That opens doors across functions, from customer service to product design, making AI implementation easier than ever before. To avoid losing their competitive edge, businesses need to stay abreast of the latest waves of AI and explore how they can introduce it across different functions. And to reap the greatest possible benefit from artificial intelligence, businesses need a concrete strategy for how they are going to adopt and scale the technology they choose to use. To develop an AI strategy, businesses should start by understanding how AI is impacting their sector. Technology is changing customer behavior, boosting competitor productivity, and prompting discussions on artificial intelligence regulations. Businesses need to stay up to date on those changes to understand how they can harness artificial intelligence's potential and avoid being left behind. They must also consider how AI can further their specific business objectives. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, and small and medium companies should identify where AI can help them, choose the AI solutions that are right for their business, and apply the right solution to the right use case. Even the most well-thought-through strategy is useless if you cannot put it into practice. Businesses need to ensure they have the resources, capacity, and readiness to deliver. And that's not just a question of business, it's also a question of company culture. To lay the groundwork for your AI strategy to succeed, you need to grow an artificial intelligence-ready culture. What does that mean concretely? First, it requires a business to be data-driven. Artificial intelligence systems rely on well-organized data. Second, it requires you to involve and prepare your people for the journey of AI adoption and building a system that is user-friendly. People across functions should be included in the conversation about AI to address concerns and shift mindsets. Employees should be given the space to contribute ideas and work in a multidisciplinary way for best results. They should also be given time and training to acquire the skills and knowledge they need. Third, it involves taking a responsible approach to AI, protecting data privacy, for example. Achieving success in AI adoption is a gradual process. It may be helpful to visualize the journey in stages, exploring, planning, formalizing, scaling, and realizing. At the exploring stage, companies are learning about AI and experimenting on a small scale. At the planning stage, businesses have a better idea of how AI can work for them and are setting out their AI strategy. At the formalizing stage, they are dotting the I's and crossing the ET's of their AI strategy and may have multiple AI projects in progress. At the scaling stage, a business is expanding its use of AI, and at the realizing stage, AI is creating value across the business. In sum, to create business value from artificial intelligence, it is important to have an AI strategy. That strategy should be based on AI developments in your sector and your business needs. And to make sure that strategy can succeed, you need to cultivate an AI-ready culture by being data-driven, inclusive, and responsible. In a world of rapid change, the companies that succeed will be those that create real business value from AI through a clear strategy. Building AI systems that address real business needs, fit seamlessly into existing workflows, and developing the skills needed to use, interpret, and apply AI outputs effectively